Hello, WAVA students. This is a brief tutorial on managing Microsoft files for WAVA classwork. We are going to be in the OLS. It's very common for your teachers to assign work that is a Microsoft Office file. That could include a Word doc, Excel, or PowerPoint. I have a sample assignment here to show you how it works. And this is for students working with Microsoft software on a laptop or desktop. So when you see a Word doc attached, when you click on it, it's going to pop up in the corner and say Downloads. When you click that to open the file, it immediately starts with this yellow bar across the top that says Enable Editing. It will not allow you to do anything until you press that button. So always press this Enable Editing button. The next thing we want to do for good file management is to save our file with a logical name in a logical place. I'm going to press File, Save As. I always recommend saving on your desktop to help things stay organized. I'm going to press this PC and go up to desktop. Now within desktop, it's a great idea to have your files organized. As you can see here, I like to organize by year, and then within each year, I organize by class. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder, and we'll call this tutorial folder. Your folder will be called something like ELA, World History, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Earth Science. Okay, but we want to make sure we're saving our files into the right folders that are labeled properly so we can find our work again later. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the tutorial folder. I can see that it's now in the tutorial folder on the desktop. And then I'm going to give it an appropriate name, not whatever the K-12 default name is. Let's pretend like this is an ELA essay. So I'm going to put 2024 ELA essay. We'll pretend like we're on Unit 1, and then my name. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. Notice that up at the top, it is now updated with my proper file name. That tells me who made it, when they made it, and what it's for. From there, I could continue working on my assignment. I could continue answering the questions, whatever it is that the document is asking me for. And then this button right here is the Save button. So you can continue to save right there. Now, on the desktop, you'll see that I have a new folder called Tutorial Folder, and inside of that folder is my essay. Okay, so that's exactly what we're looking for. The next thing we're going to do is turn it into the OLS. So I'm back into the OLS and I've clicked on the assignment. I already downloaded the template and completed my work. Now it's time to turn it in. I'm going to use the upload button, and it's going to be easy to find, right? It's on my desktop in the tutorial folder, and there it is, the right name with the right file folder. So I can see that it just uploaded, and from there I can press submit. And that is how you download, complete, and re-upload files for your WAVA work with proper names in the proper places. The next thing I want to show you is how to manage Microsoft files with Google Drive. Some of you only have access to a Chromebook, which makes Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint a little tricky, but there is a great way around it. Again, when we start in the OLS, we have this pretend assignment here. When we click, it's going to download right here. Now we're going to leave that there for a moment, and we're going to go to our Google Drive. If you're working on a Chromebook, you have Google Drive. So I am signed in here to my Google Drive account, and what I'm going to do is say New File Upload. Now I have the file in my downloads right here because I just downloaded it. The previous document was for working with Microsoft Word, but this is how you do it in Google Docs. So I'm going to click this file that just downloaded. That's my sample assignment. You can see I did it a couple times, so we'll go ahead and get our sample assignment. That's going to upload as a docx, but I can click on it and have it open as a Google Doc. So it's kind of in a hybrid. It's kind of a Google Doc now, and it's kind of still, with this docx, kind of still a Microsoft formatted document. So again, I want to give it a proper file name. So maybe I will say 2024 ELA essay, Unit 1, Felicia Kern. Then down here, I could work on my essay. I could answer my questions, whatever it is I need to do on my Word doc. And then I'm going to press File, Download, Microsoft Word. By pressing File, Download, Microsoft Word, it puts it back into a Microsoft Word file, but with the proper name and my work completed. So that's how you can use Microsoft Documents easily if you're on a Chromebook. Once I have that file, I can now go back to my assignment and I can upload, and there it is right there. Now notice these stayed in my downloads folder because I don't actually have, in this scenario, I don't actually have Microsoft software. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on that and submit it. I do want to mention, if you're using Google Drive, it's a great idea to get your files organized. You can do that by pressing New Folder. Let's pretend like this is my ELA folder for 2024. I can create that folder, and then I can easily drag my essay into that folder for safekeeping, and the next time I need it, it will be right there. All right, thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. My email address is fkern@wava.org. Thanks for your time.